Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to show you how you can delete your Patreon account. So first you have to simply click on the settings button here. Now after going to settings, you can go to the, let me show you. From here you have to simply go to my page here in not settings, you can find it. You can simply click on this three dot button here next to your username here. Simply click on that and you can find privacy and policy. Simply click on your privacy and policy here. Then from here you can find let's wait for it, the page is load here. So here is, you can find all the privacy policy and of Patreon, and here you can find make a privacy request. You can simply click on it and you can find erase. So it will erase your all personal data from their system, so it will actually delete your accounts from here. So Patreon Privacy Center would like to view Patreon identity info, include full name, account status and connected social accounts, and view your email address. So if you want, you just need to allow them. Simply click on allow here and they will have a look of your account here. So here you can see a request, like erase request. So they will delete all personal data have about you. There may be some expectations. For example, there we may be required to keep some data in order to comply with anti-fraud regulations. So note that by erasing your data will no longer provide our service to you. So that's mean they can keep a little information for avoiding the fraud regulations. So you can simply click on confirm request and you can confirm the erasure request or deletion request, and it will take 40 days. This request will take for 40 days. So after 40 days you will be notified that about the final operation, that if your account is erased or not. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.